Hi everybody, Logan with Enduro Engineering. Here we're going to show you how to install aluminum front disc guard on a Sherco with the KYB forks. Okay, what you're going to need to install your front disc guard is in your package you're going to have the front disc guard. You're going to have one 8x55 socket head Allen bolt. You're going to have your instructions in there as well. What you're going to need to supply is some medium strength thread locker, 6mm Allen, a 27mm for the axle, and a 12mm T-handle or socket wrench. The first step is going to be removing the axle bolt. So take your 27mm, go ahead and pull that right off. After you have your axle bolt pulled off, go ahead and take your 12mm T-handle or socket. You're going to remove the bottom brake caliper bolt. Go ahead and pull that all the way out. You can set that to the side because you won't need it anymore. Now you've got the bottom bolt taken out of your brake caliper carrier. Go ahead and take your Enduro Engineering front brake disc guard and line it up. Take the supplied 8x55 socket head Allen bolt. Go ahead and put some thread locker on it. And then insert it in. Just get it started by hand. Once you've got that started by hand, go ahead and take your axle nut, put that back on, and then take your 27mm, tighten up your axle nut, and then take your 6mm Allen, go ahead and tighten that bolt going into the caliper carrier. Now you have your Enduro Engineering front brake disc guard installed. It's going to hold up, especially if you hit rocks or logs or other debris that are going to be in the trail. If you have any questions, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit EnduroENG.com to order yours today.